Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to integrate Expensify with NetSuite. Now, the first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your dashboard, come in the left-hand panel and click on Workspaces. And from here, just select the workspace that you want to go ahead and integrate. Now that we have clicked on it, we get all of these options. Come here, click on More Features, and make sure you toggle on Accounting. And then we can integrate NetSuite. So come here, click on Accounting, and you should see NetSuite right here. And all you need to actually do is click here on Connect, and then you need to go ahead and log in. But for this, remember, you need at least the control plan, okay? This is a premium feature, so for that, you would need to upgrade your workspace. But once you have done that, all you do is click on Connect, and you'll be asked to log in, and it will be synced. So that is how you integrate Expensify with NetSuite.